Somebody who's been a 3-time gold medalist at the World Championships, latest of them in 2025 in Liverpool. She's also the defending champion in this event. Won the World Boxing Cup Finals gold last year in Sheffield. And she's also got an Olympic medal, by the way. Doing that at the Tokyo Games in 2020. Certainly not going to be an easy bout for her young Indian opponent. Just about getting herself ready. The officials are certainly stationed at the right positions.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
And we are just expecting everything to start soon.
World Boxing Cup Final, Greater Noida, India. It's bout number 42. In the red corner, representing Chinese Taipei, Hang Chi-wen.
Yang Xiaowen, the top seed and the favored boxer in this draw. Got a bye for the quarterfinals. And she's coming in, looking to move in for the kill. Haven't been too many negative results against Indian boxers, and that's what she'll be up against. A partisan crowd and an Indian boxer will be absolutely inspired by the presence of supporters.
Representing India, Preeti.
Preeti Pawar, a victor against Nigina Ukhtamova on the opening day. And will no doubt be looking to bank on that experience, that confidence gain. She'll probably see just a little bit of a height disadvantage to her opponent. That is where it will be a very interesting battle in terms of how the tactics pan out in this match.
Just 2, Island, just 3, Rock, just 4.
Colorful body art on Pang.
Just 5, 1 boxing 2.
And she'll hope that her punching and boxing overall is just as colorful. Croatian referee for this one. Evening sessions always slightly better attended, and that's the kind of support that Preeti will be banking upon. Preeti, of course, herself has some great credentials. 21 years of age, Asian under-22 gold in 2024. Also got the Asian Games bronze last time around. And she's also got the experience of having been at the Olympics, although not medal, unlike her illustrious opponent this evening. Off we go. Yang Xiaowen, with that reach of hers, will be a tricky proposition. Lanky, both in structure as well as the reach of those arms. And she'll be looking to use that advantage. She'll be looking to keep Preeti at a distance all the way through. Aggressive start by the top seed in red. Preeti showing that she doesn't want to take any backward step at all in this match. But a few good punches already landed by the Chinese Taipei boxer. Engrossing battle of wits. Swang Ho's not unexpectedly trying to stay out of punch length from Preeti, who's chasing her opponent a lot more. And between the two of them, they have already landed some substantial blows on each other. What matters most is how much has it impressed the judges. Punch to the midriff, something that we saw in the last bout of that men's section. Very effectively used. Particularly the way that Ankush went about his bout. Into the last minute, Preeti going all guns blazing at her opponent, but it's good solid defense from Huang. It's a very good contest this. Wang Xiaowen using all that experience of hers. Not too many punches landed, but that's because she has been a bit more pragmatic, a bit more realist about her entire prospects. Letting her younger opponent chase most of this bout. Close one to call this on visual evidence. Wang Xiaowen definitely looking quite impressive to begin with. And the contender is the Taipei boxer, the pretender in many respects, Preeti Pawar from India. The one who had a victory in the first round. And she was able to land some decent blows of her own as well. But it's a tight one. It's a split decision, as it was expected to be. And what has happened as a result of that first round is that Preeti currently leads 3-2. 3 judges in her favor, 2 of them going with the Taipei boxer Wang Xiaowen.
महंगाई बढ़ती जा रही है। भिंडी अब 100 रुपए किलो हो गई है और प्याज की तो पूछो ही मत। Only 9 rupees.
फ्लिपकार्ट मिनट्स पे मिलती है हैंड पिक फार्म फ्रेश सब्जी सिर्फ 9 रुपए में, डिलीवर्ड इन 10 मिनट्स।
नाकौन मुकाबले के हमेशा लीग कम कर देंगे। लीग है नाकौन मुकाबले में से एक को कम कर देंगे। तो इसमें भी 16 सिद्धांत यानी कि प्रबंधन के सिद्धांत।
Get electronics and more delivered in just 10 minutes on Instamart.
कार्य को लिखित विरोध के रूप में दे देना चाहिए जो एक करने में सक्षम है। इस प्रकार उन्होंने यह भी सिखाने
Second round.
गति को सुधार जब कार्यकारी विकसित होता है तो
Off we go for the second round. An important one for Huang. Will certainly want to edge ahead in terms of the numbers. Couple of decent blows landed already by Preeti.
कंपनी वैसे हितों से बजाय कंपनी के हितों के एक ही पर काम करना चाहिए। यानी किसी कंपनी को
Engaging once again after a short break. It's Preeti yet again on the offensive. Wang Xiaowen has to fashion a decent mixture. She's been defending a lot more in this bout thus far, but she has the capability to go out all-out attack as well. At the moment, most of the aggressive intent being shown by the boxer in blue. The younger and more inexperienced of the two, Preeti. (54 kg women's semi-finals, first of 2. Some work to be done by Huang, the Olympic medalist. Yet again, a couple of good combinations put through by Preeti. Got a good left on her, and that's something that Huang will need to watch out for. Yet again, leading with the left, landing a couple of good blows. Not allowing the Taipei boxer to gain any sort of positive momentum. Continues to punch away, gets a couple on the nose too. Does Preeti. Coming into the closing stages, the last 10 seconds or so left. Definitely looked a lot more fluent. Won't be surprised if she's won over a lot more of the guests or the judges this time.
सब्जी वाले से झगड़ के फ्री में धनिया मिर्ची लेती थी, पर डील शेयर पे तो सब्जियां फ्री में मिल गई। इस बचत पे मेरा हक बनता है। फ्री में तो शॉपिंग बैग्स भी नहीं मिलते आजकल। डील शेयर, हक से बचाओ।
₹9 है फिर सिंगल क्यों हो? फ्रेंड ऐप पे ₹9 में खास कनेक्शन बना सकते हो और उनसे ढेर सारी
Preeti Pawar from India is possibly looking at one massive scalp in the shape of Huang Xiaowen. There was also a warning offered in this round to Huang Xiaowen, in addition to which, yet again, it's a 4-1 verdict in favor of Preeti. So she leads, and she leads quite strongly in this match. Huang Xiaowen has to come up with a different strategy. She's been mostly defensive. Now perhaps attack will be the best form of it. And it will be fascinating to see A, if she can do it, and B, should that be the case, how does Preeti respond to that offensive? Decisive third round. All Asian semi-final, as has been the case of few Asian matches that we have seen. Safe to say that medals won at Asian Championships, Asian Games also being seen in a different light in recent years, with the emergence of India as a massive power in addition to some of the Central Asian nations. We've always had Japan, Korea, Taipei in the mix. China, of course, superpower in the sport as well. Preeti settling into a good attacking rhythm early on in this third round as well. Landing some good blows. Egged on by the home crowd. She's looking to move in for the kill. Just not giving too many openings to Huang. First match of the evening session on day 3. 5 days of competition here at the World Boxing Cup Finals. Couple of good blows landed yet again by Preeti. Growing in confidence. Also, there's been a good fluency to this bout, unlike what we've seen in a few bouts already today. Both boxers looking to get on with it, looking to attack as much as possible. It's been more about tactics rather than gamesmanship or management. Huang has landed a couple of good blows. She needs a few more of those. Needs a sustained spell of that, in fact, to overturn the verdict which has thus far gone against her.
नहीं जाएंगे।
हम रात को देंगे, पेपर है ना मेरा।
नहीं आता नहीं मिल रहा है, नहीं जाएंगे।
कहाँ पे? आप शाम को नहीं
खाते
जाएंगे
टाइम
क्या?
भी फोन देख रहे हो? ऐसा क्या मिलता है इसमें?
पैसे मिलते हैं।
क्या बोल रहे हो?
इस ऐप को यूज करोगे तो 300 से 400 तक बोनस इंस्टेंटली मिल सकता है। एड ट्रेलर्स, प्रोडक्ट वीडियोस देखोगे बस तो 5 से 10 पर वीडियो अर्न कर सकते हो। रोज 5 से 10 वीडियोस देख लो, काफी है।
हाँ।
बता देंगे।
What's impressive is we are into virtually the last 30 seconds, but Preeti still treating it much like the first round, looking to be as aggressive, as proactive as possible. That's possibly keeping her ahead in terms of points as well, and also averting any potential comeback by Huang Xiaowen.
बहुत है। मुझे नगद रहो। कहाँ गए तुम?
Good exhibition of boxing, and it does look like India, the home nation, are likely to find yet another finalist.
वहाँ गए थे शाम से, कल कल।
Some good sporting spirit between the two. But Preeti Pawar, 21 years of age, may have taken a big step towards not just winning this match, but also taking the crown away from her opponent. Wang Xiaowen is the defending champion at the World Cup finals from Sheffield, but it looks like she might well have to go home with a bronze from this one. Split verdict? Or perhaps unanimous?
Results of the bout of 42. The winner on point by the split decision in the blue corner, representing India.
It's a split decision, but it's a fine performance by Preeti. Wang Xiaowen really did throw everything at her in the third round in particular. But Preeti held on. Pugnacious Preeti does it for her team. Very positive to begin with, and that's what stood her in good stead right through. And just never allowed Huang to get any offensive momentum going behind her. And the boxer in blue takes India through to yet another final and another assured gold or silver. She'll be going for gold, no doubt, Preeti. We'll find the identity of her opponent in the second semi-final, which follows right after this.
Power. It's not just